Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make subtitles bigger on Disney+. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password to log in. And once you are taken into the homepage, you will see various different movies and shows that you can immediately start watching. Now in order to change your subtitle size, simply open up any show or movie that you wish, and once you open it up, tap on the subtitle settings at the top right corner. This will now open up the subtitle settings page. Now within this option, you will be able to choose your audio language as well as subtitles. In order to change the size of your subtitle, tap on the gear icon at the top right which says Subtitle Styling. This will now allow you to customize your subtitles. Now underneath within font size, you can simply choose the larger font size based on your preference. You will also be able to see how your changes will look at the top section. Just choose your subtitle size and then go back to enjoying your movie, and now your subtitles will appear in your chosen size. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make subtitles larger on Disney+. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.